Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 30th, 2024, last day in April. In this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one. You're interested, the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku number 8456. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. 24, it's kind of an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a Four Stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. We have here two twos. We have here three threes. We have here two fours, three fives, three sixes, two sevens, four eights. All right. And 1, 2, 3, 9. So the eights are a majority. Can I start with 8? Yes, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column I only need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above I only need to place 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 5 missing numbers now. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. Sorry, two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this big square, so no 1 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes in this row. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. We have 3 here, so no 3 there. For the 4, the 5 is missing. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. We have a 6, and the 7 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7, okay. Need an 8 there. Need a 5 in this row. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, no need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Well, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those. 1, 7, 5. And now, let me see. 6 goes there. Yeah. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Need a 6 here. 6. Now I need to think. 3. Need 3 there. How about 5, 2, 1? Well. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 5. We have a 1, 2, and a 5 in the second row. So no 1, 2, and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 1, 2, and a 5 goes in those 3 boxes. 1, 2, and a 5, 1, 2, and a 5, 1, and 2, and a 5. We have a 1 here, so here should be a 2 and a 5. 1, 2, and a 5. We have a 2 here, so 1 and a 5 here. 1, 2, and a 5. We have a 5 here, so 1 and the 2 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. We have a 7 here, so the 7 could be here, could be there. The 8 and the 9 is missing. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 7 and a 9 here. So 1 digit left should be the 4 here. Okay, 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Again, another pair. So we need a 9 here. Okay. 3, 6. Need a 7 here. And I need this. I need this. 3, 6, and 7. Need a 7 here. In this column, the third column, I need a 7. Well, we already have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. So the 3 and the 6 are left. We have a 3. In the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 6 then. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. On there, we have 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between, no, only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. On there, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. On there, we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And, the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright, 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here. On there, we have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 to 5, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Yeah. Alright, do we have all the 3s? Nope. Need a 3 there, need a 3 here. 2, 5, and a 1, 2, and a 5. 1, 2, and a 5. Well, we have a 1 and a 5 in this column, so this box should be a 2 then. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Yeah, 2 numbers left. The 7 and nope, 7 and the 9. We already have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. I believe the 2. Yeah, 2, 2, 2 there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about 1? Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left with 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 4 goes in there. Alright. Here 2. Wait. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2 is missing here. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. Then, let me see. 4 and a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and 4 cannot fill this yet. Here also 1 and a 4. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. Okay, 1 and then 9. Come on. 6. How about the 5? Yeah. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column. Only place left of 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 7 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 7 in this last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for 7 should be there. 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 4 goes there. 4 and 9, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Surprise. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.